Justin from Kanga, New South Wales. Today I'm going to talk about care and maintenance on your radiator and all cooling systems. To start, the radiator fluid bottle should be checked daily and topped up when necessary. This system requires a premix of water and coolant with a ratio of 50:50. You should also check your hoses, connections and radiator regularly for any wear, leaks or cracks. If you do spot any, make sure you contact your branch as soon as possible. The radiator cap, located at the back or on an 8 series at the front, should be checked regularly. Okay? Every 100 hours service you should check that. If it's not looking the best or it's not working properly, please replace it. The radiator fins should be cleaned regularly. You don't want to allow build-up of mud and dirt on your radiator. The more build-up you get, it decreases the performance of your radiator. Some of them will overheat and you can cause extensive damage to your engine. The coolant in your radiator should be changed at least every 2 years or every 500 hours of use. Generally, when we do a major service, we'll change the radiator fluid. If you'd like any more information, please contact our branch and we can give you some advice. With oil cooler maintenance, it's very simple to maintain. You need to ensure that you keep it regularly clean and free from any debris or mud or dirt build-up. Okay, basically you want to check for leaks and ensure that the fan works regularly. The fan should kick in once the machine gets to operating temperatures. If your fan does not kick in, make sure you contact your local branch for any assistance or help. Thank you for your time.